I've been a trucker for over 15 years. I've seen it all: storms, breakdowns, and late-night stops at creepy rest areas. But one night changed everything. It's the reason I refuse to drive after midnight anymore. It started as an ordinary haul. I was transporting a load of furniture from Denver to Salt Lake City. It was a long, lonely stretch of highway, but I was used to it. The night was clear, the road was smooth, and my thermos was full of hot coffee. About halfway through the trip, just past midnight, I came across a detour sign.